Alright, so running into just problem after problem with stuff, so we're going to move on, try to keep progress going in the limited amount of time that I do have. So we're going to work on maybe the fuel lines until I get stuck on that one problem too. So got to figure out where we're going to put the fuel pressure regulator and run the rest of the soft line. So I'll probably temporarily hang the header on the passenger side so I can see what kind of room I'm working with, and figure out where I'm going to mount this pressure regulator. So let's see. So this is where the fuel line is there, and problem I can already see is that I'm thinking about fuel pressure regulator in this area here. Now this is a reminder of where in general that's going to go. Wiring harnesses in this area here, so I think if I stay up in this area I should be fine. I don't know how much the chassis comes over this, so I might go look at some YouTube videos or some pictures of finished cars to see how much the chassis hangs over this, so that I don't mount it too high and I give plenty of room for this area here.